Alexa isn't laundry software. It's the digital platform that connects a laundry plant with all of its clients, hospitals, hotels, and uniformed industry within a single traceability ecosystem. Each operation has its own rules. In hospitals, strict biosecurity protocols. Contaminated linen is never mixed with clean linen, and each item is tracked independently under barrier standards. In uniformed industry, control is organized by shift and work area. In hotels, the priority is day-to-day operational precision. But here's what makes Alexa different. The laundry and its clients share the exact same inventory in the same database in real time. Every movement, every responsible party, every debt and discrepancy, fully transparent to both sides at once. There's no separate version of the truth for each side. And billing is generated automatically from those same shared delivery records. No disputes, no manual adjustments, no surprises at month end. The laundry connects directly to the hotel's management system. It knows upcoming demand in advance. Occupancy, reservations, events, uniform staff roster, and plans production to always deliver on time. It knows exactly what linen is in each of the client's sub-storage areas and the status of every item. And it manages staff uniforms directly, linked to HR check-ins and check-outs. When someone joins or leaves, their uniform allocation adjusts automatically. And it's not a one-sided benefit. The client also gets complete traceability within their own facility, full real-time visibility of their inventory, control over losses and responsible parties, purchase planning based on real data, the ability to audit any laundry provider, and automatically documented regulatory compliance. No more manual counts. Movement documentation is generated automatically, not by hand. No more general inventories. No more unexplained discrepancies. And leakage and shrinkage within the facility itself stays under control. This lets the laundry offer more than just washing. It can charge for exclusive system access and features, a monthly subscription, for example, generating a new recurring digital revenue stream. And in the process, it builds client loyalty. The more integrated a client is into the platform, the harder it is for them to switch providers. Every storage area in the hotel, central linen room, floor linen rooms, staff lockers, spa, has its own RFID reading point. Every time an item enters or leaves any of these areas, the system logs the movement automatically. Date, time, origin, destination. That's how a loss is caught before it becomes a real loss. Days without movement, mismatches between what was declared and what was received, or a garment exceeding its wash cycle limit. Each case triggers an automatic alert. At the plant, the same level of control. Sorting, washing, drying, ironing, and dispatch, all logged automatically with no manual intervention. Receiving in seconds. Zero manual counts. Zero reconciliation errors. Digital chain of custody. Traceable accountability. Up to 80% fewer inventory losses. Less time spent searching for missing items. Instant alerts on any operational deviation. This same traceability engine also runs in hospitals, respecting their biosecurity and surgical traceability protocols, and in uniformed industry, with control by shift and work area. One platform. One shared database. Every operation with its own rules, always respected. Alexa. Traceability and management.